Welcome to my 5-minute yoga a day. Today we're going to be focusing on yoga for flexibility. So starting off in a seated position, focusing and bringing awareness to your breathing, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. Softening the shoulders as you exhale and growing tall within the spinal column. Softening the knees and rooting the sit bones down to the ground. Inhale, float the arms up. Exhale, bring hands to heart center. Take a big inhale here and exhale out. So we're grounding, we're focusing on our session ahead. So you take out now the left leg and bring the right foot to the inner thigh. Place the left hand down or the forearm and extend and sweep that right arm over. And if you can, maybe grab the big toe. If not, just rest the hand wherever it lands and gaze looking forward. And take a big inhale and exhale into our easy twist, breathing deep from the torso, the diaphragm. Exhale and inhale round the other way. Take up now the right foot into the hand or into the inner elbow and start to rotate outwards that hip and knee very gently. This action is called rocking the baby, so it is the same sort of action, rocking from side to side. Take over now that right foot and just bring the left hand to the knee and come into again another seated twist here. Keep that foot flexed. Extend out again, keeping active both feet. Take hold of the left foot or toes and just stretch up and limber up and down, stretching out the hamstring, the calf muscle and the ankle, and push that heel away and then just come into a twist here. Take a big inhale, grow nice and long through the spine, and exhale back down. And let's come into our bound angle pose, really flexing those hip flexors, taking hold of the big toes to engage our hips. And then now let's do the Janusirasana. Again, taking out the right leg, bringing the left foot to the inside, placing the right hand down or the forearm and coming over with the left arm. And then just come into a nice twist to the right and then twist to the left. Lifting the sternum up, growing tall, rooting down but rising through the chest and the midline. Again, now let's take that right foot into the crease of the elbow with our left arm and rock from side to side, deep through the torso, still rooting with the sit bones, and then just stretch that leg out. Again, keep those feet active, the toes dorsiflexing, pointing towards your chest. Now take over the left foot over the right leg and come into a twist here, breathing deeply, and then wrap the other arm around the knee and go the other side. Again, taking hold of that right foot, extend out the right foot and hold the foot with the hands and just limber up, stretching the calf muscles and the hamstrings. And then take that foot, the right foot with the right hand, and come into a twist. Breathe deeply here. And then come back into a nice seated position. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms to center. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you have, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends.